In this video, we'll look at how to correctly balance the Phase 1 P3 gimbal. If you purchase a P3 and IXM system directly from us, the camera will come pre-balanced. However, it might be necessary to rebalance this for any number of reasons. Before we start balancing the P3 gimbal, make sure that your memory card is inserted and the lens caps are removed. Any port covers that you wish to have attached during the flight should also be attached to the IXM, as this can affect the final balance. A correctly balanced gimbal should hold its position no matter where you place it, even when the power is not initiated. As you can see here, this gimbal is poorly balanced. First, we will look at the vertical balance of the tilt axis. We will loosen the two latches on each side and adjust the camera backwards and forwards until it stays still whilst 90 degrees up and 90 degrees down. Next, we will move on to the front-back balance of the tilt axis. For this, I keep the screw holding the IXM in the bottom slightly loose and loosen the top screw so I can move this backwards and forwards freely. When balanced correctly, this should hold the camera facing completely forward without tilting forward or backwards. Once I have done this, I can tighten the top screw and the screw that goes into the IXM body. Next, we will look at the roll axes. This comes pre-calibrated from our factory and shouldn't often need to be adjusted. If it does, loosen the screw on the back of the P3 and adjust this until the camera sits straight and does not roll when moved. Finally, we can look at the pan axis. Once again, this is rarely in need of adjustment. If you do need to adjust this, you can loosen the top screw, moving this backwards and forward, and it's not too front or rear heavy. As you can now see, the gimbal sits in any position without moving. We recommend rebalancing regularly between flights, or if you change lens or accessories on the IXM camera.